So right now I'm in Seattle, Washington, and I decided to stop at a local Home Depot. So far I'm in the inside, and these were the only plants that I see. The Vigoro, low water use, durable, easy to grow, just succulent collection. Then they have fake plants here. Totally almost got me, but I think all the house plants are outside. It's like 50 something out here, so I guess they're surviving. There's a lot of people, so I'm not gonna talk anymore. So the Home Depot I was at really didn't have a good selection, so now we're gonna go over there, see what they have at this location. I think when I was looking it up on Google, I screenshotted it, so hopefully the location is on the screen right now. Let's see what we can find, y'all. Look at this awesome plant stand. It's $39.98. It's like black metal. I feel like it would look really nice in my room. I was thinking of getting a coat rack, but I feel like that's a way better price and it matches. I keep seeing these planters everywhere. I thought, yeah, they had strawberries in them. They're so cute. Some starting to bloom. So there's no music in here, so maybe I'll make this a whole different video, but I think I'm gonna put, oh, it feels so good in here. I think I'm gonna put all of the Home Depot videos together. But as you can see, this one's fully stocked. They definitely have some of the same planters. Hopefully I can find a Hoya, you know. Lately I've been a Hoya hoe, and that's what I'm looking for. Look at that. She's not too healthy, but her break looks really good. They all just got watered today. Like, what does that mean? What is that? Is it like a new way of watering them or something? Oh my gosh. Jade pothos is what I'm looking for. These are super pretty. The coffee plant, I love it. It's so shiny and green. I think these are umbrella plants, non-variegated. Who are you? The lipstick plant gets me every time. It's pretty. Some anthuriums, $12.98, and those planters, they have them in black and like with a turquoise color. Some of those spider reverse stripe plants. So what? It's like usually white on the outside, green. I don't know. But look at the flowers. The flowers look really, really good. I think I'd. And then like at the other store, they have these holiday, does it say holiday? Holiday upgrade Sansevieria. 6-inch holiday upgrade Sansevieria. I don't know if that's the species or just because the planter. You right there, you look great. Perfect thumbnail. Yeah, they seem to have just got watered today. This one looks pretty. Yeah, I see a lot of green philodendrons. Some gold pothos here at the other store. Didn't really see many of those. Fern assorted. No Hoyas though here. Some floor plants over here. I think I'm gonna go inside and see if they have more plants. Yeah, I figured they would have some more plants on the inside. They have the same succulents as like the other store. And then some other baskets. Larger floor plants. They do have a darker one here though. Cute.
Yo.